Tired of fighting your tools instead of the job? Whether you're framing, trimming, or just fixing stuff around the site, the right gear doesn't just make work easier, it practically does the work for you. I've dug through the toolbox to find 10 pro-level tools that save your body, save your time, and save your sanity. And don't worry, links to every single one are waiting in the description. Let's get into it. Number 1. Gren Pro Professional Knee Pads. Let's face it, working on your knees all day is brutal. That's exactly why you need the Gren Pro Professional Knee Pads. What makes these different is the dual-layer comfort system. You get a soft gel core on the inside, combined with thick EVA foam padding on the outside. This design hugs your knee perfectly. It supports the tendon below your kneecap and the muscle above it too. That means way less pressure and way less pain after a long shift. Comfort is great, but a knee pad that won't stay put is useless. Gren Pro fixed that with long 7-inch adjustable neoprene straps. They give you a secure fit that doesn't cut into your skin or slide down. You just strap them on and forget they're there. Durability is also top-notch here. The heavy-duty nylon stitching holds everything together, even when you're crawling on rough concrete all day. As for uses, these are seriously versatile. They're a top pick for flooring installers, tile setters, carpenters, roofers, HVAC techs, welders, mechanics, and even gardeners. Basically, if the job takes you to the ground, these knee pads will protect you. Number 2. Bates Multiplier Fence Tool. The Bates Multiplier Fence Tool is 5 tools in one compact 10-inch design. It's forged from polished steel alloy, so it resists rust and handles years of heavy use. The soft plastic-coated grip keeps your hands comfortable and slip-free. You get a corrugated hammerhead for driving staples, dual wire cutters, a staple puller, and a wire grip for stretching fence wire tight. It handles cutting up to 7/32 of an inch thick wire with ease. Carpenters, construction crews, handymen, and gardeners will all appreciate having this do-it-all tool on their belt instead of carrying 3 separate ones. Number 3. CC Cordless Caulking Gun. The CC Cordless Caulking Gun completely removes the hand fatigue that comes with manual squeezing. It's powered by a 21-volt battery and comes with 2 2-amp-hour packs, giving you up to 3 hours of continuous runtime. You can finish large jobs 50% faster compared to old-school methods. The standout feature is the no-drip technology. It delivers 300 kilograms of push force, yet the instant you release the trigger, the motor retracts to stop material flow completely. No mess, no waste. You also get 4 adjustable speed settings, so you can switch from thick construction adhesive to fluid sealant with total control. It fits all standard 10-ounce cartridges and includes a handy LED light for dark corners. Whether you're sealing windows, bathrooms, or expansion joints, this tool makes every bead look professional. Number 4. Estwing Framing Hammer. The Estwing Framing Hammer is a true American classic, forged in one solid piece of steel, right here in the USA. That one-piece construction means the head will never loosen or fly off, no matter how hard you swing. This model features a 28-ounce ripclaw design, making it perfect for prying boards, pulling nails, and even light demolition work. The milled face grips nailhead securely, so every strike lands exactly where you want it. The longer handle gives you extra leverage for powerful, efficient swings. What really sets this hammer apart is the patented shock reduction grip. It absorbs up to 70% of impact vibration, saving your elbow from fatigue. The slip-free grip also keeps the hammer secure in wet or sweaty conditions. For serious framing and carpentry, this hammer is simply unbeatable. Number 5. Bondus Ball Driver and Hex T-Handle Set. If you work with hex screws regularly, this Bondus T-Handle set is going to make your life so much easier. The set includes 8 sizes, ranging from 2 to 10 millimeters, all stored neatly on a molded stand you can mount to your wall or workbench. Each tool features a welded steel handle with an ergonomic cushioned grip that eliminates pressure points on your palm. The standout feature is the ball driver tip. It lets you insert and spin screws at an angle, not just straight on.
That saves you from stripping stubborn fasteners in tight spaces. The heavy-duty handle also creates a nice flywheel effect, making screw insertion and removal super fast. Whether you're doing machine assembly, bike repair, or equipment maintenance, these T-handles deliver maximum torque without damaging your fasteners.
Number 6. ASCET 3-in-1 Digital Tape Measure. The ASCET 3-in-1 digital tape measure brings measuring into the modern age. It combines a 16-foot auto-lock physical tape with a laser distance meter that reaches up to 130 feet. The large 2-inch backlit LCD screen shows crystal-clear readings, even in dark attics or bright sunlight. Accuracy is impressive at plus or minus 1/16 of an inch. You can switch between 6 different units with a single click. It also connects wirelessly to the Smart Life app on your phone. That lets you record measurements instantly, create floor plans, and export data without writing anything down. The built-in memory stores 20 groups of measurements. One-button calculations handle area, volume, and even tricky Pythagorean mode for hard-to-reach spots. It's USB-C rechargeable and perfect for contractors, real estate agents, and serious home renovators.
Number 7. Knipex Raptor Pliers. The Knipex Raptor Pliers are a true problem solver for stubborn fasteners. What makes them special is the push-button adjustment system. You simply slide the jaw tight against the workpiece and squeeze. The gripping mechanism has zero backlash, meaning it locks on securely without slipping or rounding off the edges of bolt heads. This is a huge advantage when dealing with rusty, damaged, or thick-coated connections that a regular wrench just cannot grab. The exceptionally powerful jaws grip like a vise without crushing the fastener. It's the perfect tool for working on polished chrome fittings where scratches are not acceptable. Whether you're a plumber, mechanic, or HVAC technician, these German-engineered pliers will pay for themselves the first time they save a stuck job. It's a buy-it-for-life investment that handles the toughest gripping challenges with ease.
Number 8. Hinge Gap Adjustment Wrench Tool Set. A sagging door with an uneven gap is one of the most annoying problems in any home or job site. This hinge gap adjustment wrench tool set fixes that issue in minutes without removing the door from its frame. The set includes 4 head sizes that fit about 98% of standard door hinges. Each wrench is made from high-strength solid steel, so it will not break or deform even on heavy-duty commercial doors. The extended non-slip handle gives you comfortable, stable control and reduces hand fatigue during use. Using it is incredibly simple. Just slip the fork over the hinge knuckle and bend it slightly to realign the door gap perfectly. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for both DIY home improvement enthusiasts and professional carpenters. A $20 kit that saves you from expensive door replacements. Number 9. PowerTech Multi-T-Track Fence. Precision is everything in woodworking, and the PowerTech Multi-T-Track Fence delivers exactly that. This 24-inch long aluminum extrusion stands 3 inches high and offers superior straightness for accurate, repeatable cuts. It's made from corrosion-resistant extruded aluminum, so it stays strong and durable for years. The universal design accepts 1/4-inch T-bolts, 5/16-inch T-bolts, and 1/4-inch hex bolts, making it compatible with most standard accessories. You can use it to build custom fences for your router table, drill press station, or miter saw station. It's also perfect for creating jigs, fixtures, and workstations that need reliable straight edges. The tracks are spaced 3/4 of an inch apart on center, giving you endless configuration options. Whether you are a hobbyist or a pro cabinet maker, this multi-track system will seriously upgrade your shop setup. Number 10. Swanson Aluminum Framing Wizard Folding L-Square. The Swanson Aluminum Framing Wizard is a brilliant 5-in-1 layout tool that replaces an entire bag of squares. It functions as a framing square, miter square, angle finder, saw guide, and tri-square, all in one compact design. Made from high-grade anodized aluminum, it is lightweight yet tough enough to survive job site drops.
The adjustable sliding tab locks in place for repeating angles and makes laying out 12 inches on center a breeze. You can even mark top and bottom stud plates simultaneously, which saves serious time. The precision laser-etched markings on the high-visibility blue finish are easy to read in any light. When the job is done, it folds down neatly to fit inside a standard toolbox. For carpenters, framers, and serious DIYers, this tool simplifies stair layouts, roof rafters, and complex angle cuts effortlessly.